Hi, I'm Atika Faruqi. When I was watching this movie called Chandigarh Kare Aashiki, I got a sense of deja vu because I was reminded of the very few people I grew up with that I had known were trapped in wrong bodies. Since they themselves were confused about their bodies, hence we were confused too how to look at them. I so wish movies like Chandigarh Kare Aashiki would have been made or released, talked about at least 30 years ago. ताकि हम अब तक ज़्यादा समझदार हो चुके होते इन इश्यूज के बारे में. अभिषेक, हाय.
Hi.
Vani,
Hi,
hi.
Atika.
Guys, very proud of you and thank you for making this film, Chandigarh Kare
Thank you
Aashiki.
so much.
There was a movie called Boys Don't Cry,
Yes.
Hilary Swank.
Yes.
जब वो मैंने पहली बार देखी तो एहसास हुआ कि जो रियलिटी है, जो बड़ी अगली रियलिटी है, वो क्या हो सकती है. दैट्स व्हाई आई से कि शायद ये ऐसे बातें और ऐसी मूवीज पहले आई होती तो अच्छा होता. स्टार्टिंग विद यू, you're the director and your production house. You are clearly a man with a plan. You are making movies. आपकी पुरानी movies भी जो हैं वो floozy movies नहीं थी. They always had a point, from Rock On to Fitur to various films. What triggered this topic, this issue for you to make it?
You know, अगर मैंने कोई फिल्म बनानी है तो that idea has to hold me for at least 2-3 years, you know, and अगर वो idea में दम नहीं होगा तो मैं फिल्म नहीं बना पाऊँगा. So it has to have the power to keep me interested, involved, and to stand up for it, you know, and this idea has the potential to do that. And you know, in around 2017, sorry, I met this lady called Simran Sahni, and she came to me with an idea for a film, but it was a very different idea, but it had a transgender character at the center of it. And I was quite shocked when I heard it, you know, but I didn't realize that she was actually coming from a very personal space, because while this is in 2017 and we started filming this last year, and I realized somewhere in 2019-20 that she had twins, boys, and they had both transitioned. One was transitioning and the other had transitioned and the other was making the transition.
Okay.
You know, so it was a very personal idea for her. And
she had two boys.
She had twin boys, and they both transitioned to the
boys.
Yeah, like the Wachowski sisters. They are, you know, the two of the greatest directors in the world today. You know, who made The Matrix. They are also transgender women today. And so this is a reality of today. You know, आपने कहा कि एक अगली reality, मुझे ये अगली reality नहीं लगती है. मुझे लगता है कि जब लोगों को कोई बात समझ में नहीं आती है तो वो उसे बंद करते हैं या दूर रखते हैं या उसे धुतकारते हैं. You know, तो ये फिल्म की कोशिश ये है, ये फिल्म को बनाने की कोशिश ये है कि एक कॉन्वर्सेशन इनिशिएट हो. You know, बात तो करें, मतलब इस बात को बंद कमरों में और अंधेरे में देखने की बजाय इसके पर्दे खोलें और इसको देखें. You know, और ये अगली नहीं है, ये सच्चाई है. इस फिल्म को बनाना इतना ज़रूरी मुझे इसलिए लगा क्योंकि ये जिस कम्युनिटी की बात कर रहे हैं, जो ट्रांस कम्युनिटी की बात कर रहे हैं, ये ऑलरेडी ट्रायल बाय फायर से गुजरते हैं. You know, ये बहुत तकलीफ से गुजरते हैं. ये इनकी जर्नी जो है टू फाइंड देयर बॉडीज, टू गेट एक्सेप्टेंस इन सोसाइटी, दे बिन थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ पेन. और जो इंसान इतनी तकलीफ़ों से गुजरता है उसके पास एक स्पिरिचुअल ज्ञान होता है. समाज में, समाज के साथ शेयर करने के लिए कोई बात होती है तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम इन लोगों को हमारे सोसाइटी में दाखिला दें, इनको एम्ब्रेस करें, क्योंकि ये बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं.
वानी, congratulations.
Thank you.
That was a very wise decision you took. Because आजकल एक्ट्रेसेस की इज्जत इससे भी हो रही है कि वो कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स चुनती हैं और क्या वो जो कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हैं, does it make a mark, does it say something, does it make a statement, yeah, is it only to look good? So I think you would have had apprehensions in the beginning. I would like you to tell me what were they, and then how did you kind of
if I had apprehensions, I would not have been part of it, because I think I go with my an instant gut feeling. And I think when I read, and he had given me the script, he shared the script with me, I read it, I spoke to him on the call. Over a call he explained how he's viewing it, what is the treatment, the world that he's setting up for Manvi and for everybody else, and you know, the kind of tone that he's setting for the film, how it's being addressed and designed in the correct light, you know, and without making it look like a too preachy or shoving it in your face so hard that you're like, okay, you know what, maybe it's not for appealing to all sort of audiences. Because he wanted to make audience friendly for just about any kind who can go back home taking something or the other from it and, you know, have some food for thought. So I think I didn't have apprehensions per se like that. I think I'm very secure as a person, as an actor also. I feel this was an incredible opportunity that I got. You know it and I know it and we all know it. It's not very easy for girls especially to get such fleshed out, beautifully written parts, you know, who have so much depth and layering to it. And I would have been a fool to think otherwise.
True, absolutely. You know, there's another stereotype we have, जिसकी बीमारी है हमें लगता है कि लड़कियों के फीचर्स ऐसे हों तो ही वो खूबसूरत होंगी, नाक पतली लंबी हो, आंखें बड़ी हो, बाल ऐसे हों. When Karan Johar made Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Shabana Azmi once told him that this is the most politically incorrect film that you have made, because तुम क्या कहना चाह रहे थे, जिन लड़कियों के बाल छोटे होते हैं क्या वो gorgeous beautiful नहीं हो सकती? ऐसा तो नहीं है. So you know, after many years had passed, he said नहीं, आपकी बात सही है. When we were growing up, और आज भी आप छोटे शहरों में जाके देखिए तो दुल्हन खूबसूरत और गोरी चाहिए होती है. While when you start traveling the world and you travel through America and Europe, you see black women who are so beautiful. You see Michelle Obama, you see Oprah Winfrey. Handsome is who handsome does, and they have different kind of features, yet they look so strikingly beautiful. Do you think ये जो appearance है आदमी और औरत की, ये भी redefine होनी चाहिए?
I don't know. किसको क्या अच्छा लगता है उसको मिल जाए. You know, आदमी को खुश, इंसान को खुश रहना चाहिए. You know, मगर
it's so subjective, I feel.
Yeah, it is so subjective. But मुझे तो हमारी फिल्म में जो मनु मंजाल है, मुझे कमाल का आदमी लगता है. You know, एक typical पंजाबी गबरू मुंडा है वो. And he's already, see, there's innocence in his heart. You can see it. I think Ayushmann inherently carries it. So that is one of the prime reasons that I have Ayushmann in the film, and I've used that in the film. You know, I mean, Ayushmann का जो character है मन्नू का, you can see that he's bordering on toxic masculinity. But इंसान का एक open mind होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. You know, क्योंकि दुनिया में ऐसी बहुत चीज़ें हैं जो हम नहीं जानते हैं. And ignorance is actually, you know, our biggest problem. So I think. You know, just to be a little bit more open-minded, and you will find that you'll find beauty in some things that you never thought you would. You know, it's important to think for yourself. You know, there's so many things that have been pushed down onto us through generations before us. You know, but if you go back further down into a mythology, and you'll see that it is the most open-minded world that our ancestors way back had created, and for acceptance. It is just over the past 100 years that we've started to just lock out some real great gyan and straight-jacketed ourselves. I think it comes out of a way to control us, you know, to block our minds from accepting other things so that we can be contained. I think we should free our mind, and you know, the world is just changing so rapidly, so fast. So our minds have to evolve at the same pace.
Vani, what do you think?
Yeah, no, I 100%.
This idea of man beauty and woman beauty.
This conventional stereotype which has been designed for many, many years, I think everybody has a set. But you know what, I also feel it's, for me as an individual, like how I said, it's so subjective. To me, I might find something so beautiful and the other person might not be able to see beauty in it at all. It is very subjective, but you know, in a broader perspective, if we're talking about it, yes, I mean, there's more to a human being than just the right nose, right eyes, to, you know, the shape of your lips, to the, you know, like all of that is, I mean, then you're looking for something completely superficial, you know, then that is what your idea of beauty is, absolute superficialness, and if that suffices you, you know, that's enough for you, then that is the person who you are, and that is what you're going to get. People and things that on a surface level, you know, and then there are people who look deep down, you know, deep within you, you know, as the person who you are, and your spirit, and the kind of, you know, values you hold. So I think it's to each its own.
You know, I read a quote recently that said that, you know, the biggest lie that we have told ourselves, and we can't see beyond that, is that beauty is good.
Wow.
You know, and it's not true. What your eyes perceive as beautiful is, you know, comes out of so many things that are ingrained and told to us. You know, but that is not true. There's goodness, there's kindness. One doesn't know where beauty and personality, where do you draw the line?
True.
You know, and once you get, like, I met so many trans people. You know, I promise you, you meet some of them, and in first 15 minutes of the conversation, you will look over their flaws because they have such high thoughts and they have such incredible experiences that they just fascinate you. And you know, attraction is something that can happen between two souls and two individuals. What gets the two people going, you don't know. So I think, I mean, the West is already opening up to this, and it is, you know, it's a flaming topic in the world right now. The trans community and acceptance of it and understanding of it, and it's a good time for us to just catch up.
Yes, you are an actor, you have been an actor. I want to tell you that my friend had a huge crush on you. 1996, उफ ये मोहब्बत।
ये हैरानी की बात नहीं है। ऐसा बहुत लड़कियों को मुझे crush
हुआ है।
So this doesn't come as a surprise.
Why didn't you continue being an actor? You debuted with Twinkle Khanna.
You know, thing is that my films, I did many movies.
And you are a Kapoor. And you are Jitendra's G's.
True.
So why not?
But you know, my films didn't do well. And at that, वो वक्त बहुत अलग था. You know, आज जो जिस तरीके की फिल्में बनती हैं, जो लोग फिल्में बना रहे हैं, वो तब ऐसी दुनिया नहीं थी. मैं अपने आप को बहुत खोया सा पाता था इंडस्ट्री में.
Like Twinkle Khanna too.
Possibly.
She was also in the same year.
Yeah, we couldn't, you know, what I thought and the films I was doing, we were not in sync. You know, I think I also needed to do some kind of transition somewhere, you know, a different kind of transition. And it was very painful क्योंकि उस वक्त अगर आपकी फिल्म नहीं चलती थी तो आप एक फेल्ड हीरो कहलाते थे और एक फेल्ड हीरो एक फेल्ड इंसान होता था. क्योंकि मैं अगर उसके बाद कोई भी काम करने निकलूं, मुझे वो हीरो वाले लेंस ही देखते थे कि ये हीरो बनने आया है और हीरो फेल हो गया है, हीरो फेल हो गया. इट वाज वेरी हार्ड, you know, and I just couldn't do it anymore. So I used to get offered, like the films I got offered or the TV work I was getting offered were just making me slip further into the dark. So I just kind of said I won't do this anymore, you know, and I didn't do anything for a couple of years. And those couple of years, मतलब ये आदमी भटकता है तो मैं फिर भटकता ही रह गया कुछ 2 साल. फिर कहीं जाके मैंने कहानी लिखी, फिर वो फिल्म बनाई. बट यू नो, कुछ वेस्ट नहीं जाता, मैंने ये सीखा है. कहीं ना कहीं ये सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस आपको कुछ सिखाती हैं, you know, and what won't break you will only make you stronger.
He got a national award for the best Hindi film, Rock On. Fitoor was a beautiful film for the eyes. मुझे याद है तब्बू कहती हैं कि तुम मरना मत, तुम मर के किसी काम के नहीं होंगे. What a profound, you know, the sensibility was very profound. And of course Kai Po Che, which is supposed to be a very very ahead of its times and a revolutionary films, especially when the youth is concerned, because youth को हमने बड़ा frivolous दिखाया था हमेशा और आपने उनको एक thinking population, thinking community के तौर पे दिखाया. Like him, very far and few films, but you are very choosy, very selective in your projects. So are you. Should Desi Romance, War, this, and you are an actor. What's the art of staying patient and relevant and still be mentally at peace, even if you're not on the set?
I think I'm very true to myself, and I know what I don't want. You know, so that makes life easier for me because I don't want to compromise at a point where I'm not happy with the work I'm doing. You know, I don't want to. So I come with a clarity, you know, there's enough clarity in my head as to what makes me happy, what doesn't make me happy. Now, if the kind of films that I want to be associated with or be part of, they're not coming to me, for whatever XYZ reason, maybe I've not, you know, that kind of work never came to me, like how Chandigarh today has come to me and people are appreciating me to be, you know, for being a reliable, a credible actor or have somebody who's done a good job in the film. These opportunities don't come that easy and not that very often, especially for female actors, by the way. And I have to say, someone like a Gattu, whose every film has had a very empowering, a woman-driven character. I mean, hats off to him that he always makes the girl shine. You know, and not taking away anything from the male actors. But he emphasizes on the female part so much that he makes sure it's substantial, has so much substance and soul in. You know, for people to connect to. So I think ऐसी फिल्में बहुत बनती नहीं हैं, to be very honest. You know and I know it. And when they're made, there are a handful of actresses who they end up taking it to because they've been tried and tested by producers and filmmakers who feel more brave, you know, investing and putting their money and backing them because they know an audience will come and watch their films. So I think these are baby steps, and I think I've always had a very supportive family. I'm very, very, how do you say, I have a very clear mind here. I know what I want, and I know what I don't want. And I don't want to compromise at this point in my life.
So when homosexuality was decriminalized, this is what the judge said. And he said that हमें अफसोस है कि इस कम्युनिटी ने आज तक इतना सहा और हम नहीं देख पाए कि ये किस परेशानी से गुजर रहे हैं. सो आई गेस सिर्फ सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट के लेवल पे नहीं, जब ये छोटे छोटे कॉन्वर्सेशंस कमरों में होना शुरू होंगे, दैट इज व्हेन वी वुड बी मोर इंक्लूसिव ऑफ ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल, ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल.
बट यू नो दैट इज नॉट इनफ. यू नो व्हाट we have done so far is that we just acknowledge their existence. But what is very important is that to integrate them into society, you must allow gay marriages to happen as well. Only then, because your society at large is bound by the institution of marriage. You know, that's how our society flourishes. And gay people also want to get married. They also want to find, to marry into our fabric of society. We must allow it. You cannot let them in halfway and then don't give them the other distance. It's very important to do that. And my interaction with the LGBTQ community has been, my learning has been that they are a fabulous set of people. They have so much to share, so much joy, so much love to bring to society. And they are just kept on the periphery. So you know, हमको उनकी चीखें सुनाई दे रही हैं, मगर उनका प्यार हम महसूस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. उनको थोड़ा सा नज़दीक लाएंगे ना, तो समाज बदल जाएगा.
सही बात है. And even at a roadside signal, this is our most common encounter with them. We call them kinner. Most people call them chakka. आपने dialogues में भी इस word को use किया है liberally, just to let the people connect with it, because many people actually do use those words.
Well, those people are so uninformed, you know. I feel like they don't even know the difference in a eunuch or a transgender. You know, somebody who's gone, who's had a transformation already, or not had, or irrespective of whatever the state be or whoever it be. I mean, these harsh judgments are just not like, who gives anybody the right to be this cruel to anyone?
Very true.
We talk about animal cruelty, we talk about this and that, like, feminism and all of that, but what about this?
Yes, and we don't give them houses, we don't give them jobs.
The simple fact that when you want to go hire, be hired for a job, which now I feel like now our country is kind of evolving and there are some opportunities that are opening up.
I'm very grateful to this girl, you know, for having done this film. It takes a very brave soul to step out there and say, I'm on. No leading lady would have the courage to do what she has done. So if there are accolades and appreciation and love coming her way, this girl deserves it.
चलो हो जाए ताली. ताली बजाओ सब लोग. Yay!
All of us.
No, really, he's right. What
कौन करता है? कौन करेगा? कौन mainstream lady करती है ऐसा काम? You know, जो ऐसी फिल्म में इतना ट्रस्ट चाहिए, you know, कि ऐसा रोल करूँगी तो कहीं मैं मेरी इमेज खराब ना हो जाए, मुझे लोग अलग नजरिए से ना देखने लगे, कहीं कुछ बुरा हो गया, मेरी अच्छी चलती फिरती जिंदगी मतलब कहीं ऑफ ट्रैक ना हो जाए. बट यू नो, यू नीड करेज एंड यू नीड, एक जज्बा होता है यार, मैं थोड़ा रिस्क टेकिंग होता है, यू नो, क्योंकि जैसे कहते हैं डर के आगे जीत है, यू नो. तो दिस इज वन ऑफ दोस.
जीत के आगे जितेंद्र है आपके अंकल.
मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ आप यार.
डर के आगे जीत है, तो एकता ने कहा जीत के आगे जितेंद्र है, जो कि आपके अंकल है.
Wow. Yeah, actually,
I'm listening carefully.
But I have to say, a film like this can be very tricky as a subject, and how you project it and how you present it and address it. It could be incredibly right or terribly wrong, and if you don't have the right filmmaker to back this and to, you know, his vision does not match your sensibilities, and he doesn't make it with the right sensibility or sensitivity or the right intention, or be it the, you know, all of that is so important.
अच्छा, इस वक्त इंडस्ट्री की जो I did a round table, actresses round table. We spoke about one thing. How has the way people operate in our industry changed after the pandemic? लोगों के सोचने का तरीका तो बदला है, काम करने का तरीका कैसे बदला है?
काम करने का तरीका कैसे बदला?
मैं कहूँ क्या, ये जो फिल्म वाले होते हैं ना, ये कोई नॉर्मल काम नहीं है. ये आप सुबह उठ के नौकरी पे निकले, ये नहीं हो सकता. ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट काम है. You know, मतलब आप एक्टर हो तो एक्टर की रोज सुबह उठो, रोज कैरेक्टर में घुसो, रोज करो, इट्स पागलपन है, you know. बट अगर आप में जुनून नहीं होगा ना, तो आप ये काम में इस लाइन में आप काम नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो अभी ऐसे माइंडसेट के लोग को आप अगर कोविड दे दो या कुछ भी दे दो, जिसको कहानी बोलनी है वो तो कहानी बोल के निकलेगा ही निकलेगा।
जैसे कि आपने किया
मिड ऑफ द पैंडेमिक में हमने शूट किया।
माय गॉड, एंड दैट टू इन 2008
No, now
we shot it.
20
We shot the film after the first lockdown. You know, so मतलब इतना खौफ था, डर था कि कोविड हर जगह था। You know, and we were people with a team crew was in PPE kits and masks, and nobody knew कैसे काम करना है, मगर जिसको काम करना है वो तो काम करेगा। You know, वो उसको हमें तो ये कहानी बोलनी और मतलब एक ही जिंदगी है, निकल जाएगी, you know। तो अभी at least we made our COVID lockdowns fruitful.
True. गट्टू, कैन आई कॉल यू गट्टू? ये नाम कैसे पड़ा आपका गट्टू?
ये सवाल मतलब मुझे पूछते हैं लोग,
पर सच अ क्यूट नेम।
इस बात की सच्चाई ये है कि मुझे सच में नहीं पता।
ये मम्मी को ही पता होगा।
नहीं पता नहीं मुझे, मतलब लोग गट्टू ही बुलाते हैं।
तो who started calling you first?
लंबा चौड़ा बंदा है, नाम है गट्टू।
Family, friends.
Nobody knows. Nobody answers me. I keep asking, how did I get this name? They say, पता नहीं, गट्टू ये नाम है।
I also want to ask you, which is that one scene, which is the defining scene of the movie?
There are so many for me.
One scene. I was moved to tears when you had a lump in your throat.
That's my favorite.
Coming out scene.
When you tell him that I'm a trans girl.
Yeah.
Because you know, I remember shooting that scene, and I know that was the most important scene. कि इस scene में, you know, ये फिल्म और इसका नैरेटिव वॉक्स अ वेरी थिन लाइन। इफ यू बिकम टू फनी, लोग बोलेंगे मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, और आप बहुत, जैसे आपने मुझे पूछा इसमें थोड़ा सा ये, इफ आई एम गोइंग लिटिल बिट डार्कर, पीपल विल से यार ये देखना नहीं है, ये बहुत डार्क है। सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द थिन लाइन एंड वॉक इट सो दैट both sides of the party are equally invested at the table. You know, don't pull it this way or that. And that scene was so crucial कि आप हंसने वाले, क्योंकि आप मनु के साथ आए हैं पूरी पिक्चर में, और जब ये घूम के बोलती हैं तो ये बहुत ही सिंसियर परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए वहाँ पे, you know. So you don't know कि यार मैं हंसूं कि इसको देख के मैं रोऊं. So you know you have a very conflicted emotion in your system.
Yes.
So and this girl is lovely. I mean, you know, she gave it. She really gave it that day.
She is. Yeah. The first thing that I came out and told.
I couldn't have done it without him. But you know, he also gives you wings to fly as an actor.
He does.
The faith he puts in you and the right direction. You know, he's something. See, people will always criticize you and tell you when you're going wrong. There are very few people who will also pat your back and be like, you did this right, or you did this correctly. You know, to motivate you and to inspire you even more. Then you feel more charged as a person, as an actor, and you want to give it your all. You know? You push that extra bit in you.
देखा जाएगा.
Yeah, and you know that even if you're having a free fall, there's someone to, you know, support you and be there and kind of like very politely pivot you into the right direction if you're going wrong in a way.
True. And you know, ये पिछले 2 साल इतनी तेजी से हम भी बदले और directors, content makers भी बदले. I acted in a Netflix film called Ray. I worked with Manoj. I clearly see that the directors are changed people now. You have Neena Gupta as actors, you have her as an actor, you have all kinds of people as actors. जैसे कि वेस्ट में होता है, you have a person 4 फीट का आदमी, वो भी एक लीडिंग एक्टर है, एक इंसान है जिसके बड़े अनकन्वेंशनल से फीचर्स हैं, लेकिन वो भी एक लीडिंग एक्टर है. Now when you in the last 2 years and 3 years you've seen कि पिक्चर है वो कहानी बदल गई है. कोई भी चीज़ आप कहानी लेकर आइए, प्रोड्यूसर कहेगा हाँ बन सकती है ये पिक्चर. पहले क्या होता था, ये कौन देखेगा, ये इसको कहाँ, ये लेके जाओ श्याम बेनेगल के पास. That change a director can understand.
I think the most important thing is the idea. You know, the idea that you inspires you. If it has life, you know, and if it is true and it has something there, at least in my case as a filmmaker, I just follow that. Like I follow my gut, and I'm Gattu.
Maybe that's how he got the name. Because he's so, like, everybody knows that he follows his gut, so they're like, Gattu.
Nice.
Gattu.
Nice.
No, you just follow your gut, you know, and then, you know, all the films that I can only speak for myself. I don't know what other people's approaches are, you know. And for me, every film is a new world. It's like a new dream that I pursue, and I just follow it. And it's also a very humbling process because उस दुनिया, जो नई दुनिया में मैं घुस रहा हूँ, उसके बारे में मुझे कुछ पता नहीं होता. तो मैं उन लोगों को ढूंढता हूँ जो इसको खिलाने में या to help it bloom, I can bring people.
Yeah, right. Thank you, Gattu. And thank you, Vanu.
Thank you.
Vanu. Thank you,
Vanu. You can call me Vanu. My friends call me Vanu.
Thank you, Vanu. And the Kapoors are actually rejoicing these days. So thank you. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you.